Good morning, students. So, continuing our chapter number 9, My Fun Day. Students, please take out your book and take page number 70. Look in your book. Favorite month. One day, Sona, Arjun, and Zeba were talking about their favorite months. So, these three friends, Sona, Arjun, and Zeba, they were talking about their favorite month. Which month do you like? Why do you like this month? So, the answers are my favorite months are May and June. I can eat mangoes then. So, here Sona, he said कि my favorite months are May and June because I like mango and I can eat mango in those months. Then Arjun said I like December because Christmas comes in December. Arjun, he likes December due to Christmas. Christmas comes in the month of December. And Zeba, she told I like July and August because it rains in this month. She likes raining. So she said I like July and August because it rains in this month. She likes rain. So she likes July and August. Now the question is, which month do you like best and why? Now you have to write down in the book on page number 70. This question is given and the space is given. In that you have to write the answer. So which month do you like best? आपको कौन सा month पसंद है? Name of that month you have to write in that blank. Okay, and why do you like that month? आपको कौन सा मंथ पसंद है, उस मंथ का नाम यू हैव टू राइट इन द फर्स्ट ब्लैंक. और वाई डू यू लाइक दैट month. Okay, so in the first blank you have to write the name of the month and why, the reason why you like that month, that you have to write in the next blank. You can write any months and the reason you can write in your own words. Since I like May because I can have mangoes in this month. I like mango, so I like month May. Okay. If you don't have any answer, you can write down this answer. Otherwise, you can write these answers by yourself. Next question. Draw what you like to do in your favorite month. Space is given in the book itself. You have to draw certain things. Why do you like? What you like to do in your favorite months? There may be some activities, there may be some festival, some fruits or some cakes, some celebrations will be there in your favorite month. You have to draw. You have to draw what you like to do in your favorite months. For suppose if you have taken which month do you like best, suppose you have written May. You like best month is your May. So May month में आपको क्या क्या होता है? You like to eat mangoes. You can sit at home and you can play indoor games. Okay. Then you can eat ice creams. You can eat watermelon. So what all things you like to do in your favorite month, that all things you have to draw in the book itself. A space is provided in your book on page number 70. So do it by yourself. Next, fill in the table. What I like best, months in which it comes. So here you can see again the space is given in the book itself. You can write this answer in the book itself. What I like best, fruit. Which fruit you like, you have to write the name of the fruit and then you have to write the name of the month in which it comes. Same as name of the vegetable and name of the month. Third, name of a flower and then name of the month in which that flower comes. You can do this question also by yourself. For example, fruit, if you have written mango, then months in which it comes, you can write May or June. May and June you can write down. Okay. Vegetable, green peas. So that green peas, matar, when it is coming? Yes, in the month of November, December. Okay. As flowers which you like, you can write the name of the flower and the month in which it comes, you can write down. If you are having any problem, you can write down this answer. For example, fruit, custard apple, that is sitafal. It comes in the month of September and October. Vegetable, French beans. This vegetable, it comes in the month of November. And among flower, lilies. And this flower, it comes in the month of July. So in this way, you can write down in the table which is given on page number 71 in your textbook. Next question. Write the names of 5 festivals that you and your friends celebrate. Also write the months in which these festivals come. So here in this question, you have to write the names of any 5 festivals which you like or which you or your friends celebrate. You have to write the names of any 5 festivals. और वो फेस्टिवल किस मंथ में आते हैं, that also you have to write. So in this way, a table is given in your book on page number 71. Look in your book. 2 columns, name of the festival, and in the second column, months in which it comes. So in the first column, you have to write the name of the festivals. Any festivals you can write down which you celebrate with your friends. Okay. And in the next column, you have to write the name of the month in which that festival comes. For example, if you are writing Holi, then Holi is coming in which month? Yeah, Holi comes in which month? Yes, it comes in the month of March. Okay. Raksha Bandhan comes in the month of August. Dashera, October. Okay. Diwali, November. Christmas, December. Okay. Makar Sankranti, it comes in the month of January. Means any name, any festival which you celebrate with your friends, you can write down the name in the first column and the month in which that festival comes, you have to write in the second column. You can do this question by yourself. Yes. If there is any doubt, you can look it here. First of all, Diwali, it comes in the month of November. Raksha Bandhan falls in August. Holi comes in March. Dashera, October. Christmas comes in the month of December. This question also you can do in your book itself. Okay, students. So complete these 2 pages. We will meet in our next class. Till then, goodbye.